So something a little bit different today. I've extracted these 18650 cells from a power tool battery, and yeah, I collect all the harvest cells from these power tool batteries, and usually, one or two cells are completely balked from it, and I just throw them out properly, and the rest are salvageable. But in this pack, all the voltages were like less than a volt. So I'll show you, just for example, 0.25 of a volt. Let's go to this one. 0.33. 0.25. So what I'm doing, I'm safely trying to revive them. So I've got like a little 18650 holder here, and attached to my little SK120 buck boost power supply, and that's fed in by another little battery pack that I've made previously. And it's also got a PD decoy, so it can be powered by USB-C, or you can just use a standard lab bench power supply. But this is my little mini one that I've made myself, and so I'm slowly charging it at to 3 volts at a current of 200 milliamps, so 0.2 amps. All right, and so this was at 0.25 volts, and now it's at 0.254. If I just stop that now, we see the voltage going back down. It's 2.4. I couldn't put it in a normal charger before because it wouldn't register because it was too low. So let's put it into my 18650 charger now, and now it's actually reading it's actually charging now. So I think these chargers need, lowest 2 volts to initiate a charge. So that's one of the handy things about getting a lab bench power supply. You can feed it. You can feed it proper voltages, any voltage you want. So we're going to do the next one. So we put it in. It's not turned on yet, it says off there. So here it says 0.26 volts. We're going to feed it up to a maximum of 3 volts and a current of 0.2 amps. Let's start that now. And we can see the voltage slowly rising. And we're just going to keep an eye on it. The faster it rises up, the better sign that it's going to be revived. So just checking that it's not heating up. And yeah, when you place it back in the charger, keep an eye on it, more than usual when you're charging lithium-ion batteries. Don't leave it overnight, especially the revived ones. You need to do more testing with these. So what I'll do is I'll do the same for each of these cells, charge them up, and then I'll do a discharge test and capacity test with my tester here, and I'll let you know how they are. Alright, so I also discovered I had a few other batteries which I marked as bad, but I'm going to try and revive them as well, because I'm slowly bringing them up to 3 volts and putting them on the charger. And the ones that I've revived, as you can see, the internal resistance, even though this is not really that accurate, it's still quite good. So that's charging. Does it feel warm? No, it's alright. 56 milliohm, 3.85 volts, 3.68 volts, 3.7 volts. Yeah, they're all charging. So what I suspect happened was the BMS failed on the power tool battery, and then everything just got really low. So these ones are all charging up. They're not heating up, which is good. And it's just doing gentle charges anyway. And I've got 2 more up here. 101 milliohm internal resistance. That's a bit high on the high end. And that one's charging as well. They're hot. a little bit warm. But yeah, I probably won't be using these batteries in a big pack. I'll just use it on its own. I'll leave them grouped together. And yeah, just use it like a power bank. Or I might just use it for like, I'll build a pack just to power my buck boost converter, just for little jobs like this. I might actually build a 2S pack because it's a really weird configuration, but I got some BMS boards and it sits within the voltage range of this, between 6 and 36 volts in. So it'd be just good to have a portable pack to run this thing. And before I say goodbye, I wanted to show you all the cell capacities, which were pretty good actually. So they're about 2.2 to 2.5 amp hours. So they're quite good. This one had an issue charging back up with the tester. So I'm just using this other charger. And I'm not sure if it's the cell or if it's the charger, but anyway, it does seem to be charging. It's red. And this one here is, let's see, channel 3. It's finished. Very good. There we have it. I successfully revived all 10 cells. That's a great result. So there we go. That's how you revive deeply discharged batteries. You connect them up to a low bench power supply, maximum of 0.2 amps, and just slowly bring it up to 3 volts, then put it onto a charger. If it doesn't climb slowly at all, then it's completely dead. Don't do it anymore. If it gets hot, that's a bad sign. Discard the batteries. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.